In my last video, I explained what is array and how to define it with a small example also. Now I am showing some examples of array definition. Like here, nm is the array and its size 5, and nm is character type of array. Each array has sufficient memory reserved for it so that it can hold the number of data items given in the declaration statement. And we know character holds 1 byte, and since the array is of 5 characters, it will reserve 5 bytes. If I draw an illustration for the storage reserved for character, it will look like since array name starts with the 0th element, so first address is nm0. This is 1 byte, it's also 1 byte, and if I can store any character, it's nm3, nm2, sorry 1 2 3 4. Each item in the array is called element. So these are the elements and this is the address. It's another array, name is AR and size is 5, and its data type is integer. Since integer holds 2 bytes, the reserved space will be 5 into 2, and if I draw again AR0, the first element will be of 2 bytes, second AR1, third one. Suppose I am storing just 1 2 3 4 5 AR0 to like. Again, if I take float, then this array will occupy 5 into 4 bytes. Since each element will reserve 4 by that diagram AR0 AR1 right. In my last video I just showed an example to store elements into an array. This is an array of 5 elements. I have inputted some values. Suppose now the program is find out the total of these numbers which I have inputted into the array. Then what I will do, I will take another variable named tot for total, and I have initialized 0. Now one thing I can do, whenever I am inputting the values, I will find out the total each time. In this case, what will happen? Initially, total equal to 0. First time I have inputted 1. Then TOT will be 0 plus 1. That is 1. Okay. So TOT is 1. Second time input element is 2. Total will be previous total was 1 plus new input element is 2. Now total is 3. Total is 3. Third time I have inputted elements 3. Then total will be previous total, that means 3 plus the element which I have inputted now 3, 6. So now tot is 6. Next again I have taken 4 and total will be previous total, that means 6 plus now I have inputted 4, 6 plus 4, that is 10. Again I have inputted 5. Now total will be previous total, that means 10 plus 5, 15. I less than 5, so loop will be completed. Now I will print the total value. So I am counting each element. Each element is summation of each element in the total.